Andrew up in here, and Wesley. Please subscribe to Wesley and Andrew. Here, I'm gonna get my YouTube chat up. All right, I'll put it. Me and Wesley will put it inside the comments.
Link by below.
Or whatever. This right here is the first video we got from Windcraft off of
a roof
of a 100-foot drop.
Yep.
Here we go.
This is the microwave we're gonna be throwing.
This right here's a new challenge. What happens to a microwave when you drop it from 100 feet? Let's
See how far that is? We're gonna try to make it in that garbage can.
You guys ready? You guys ready?
You gotta see this and see this shit.
Alright. Man, how much would it suck if the cord just got stuck on here? This fell. Oh man, that would have been hilarious. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Look at that!
It's dusty. Damn.
Oh god!
That old ass granny microwave got dusted.
You see that thing in the garbage can?
Let's go. You guys know
Damn.
I'm gonna be doing GTA stuff pretty soon. I've been getting it ready. Oh, you guys are on
There's
there.
a dead mouse right there.
Oh, snap, there is? Oh, wow.
Look at the buttons on that.
So that's all we got today, but you guys see more later. Peace.
We're about to do no more of these right now, but we might have one coming this soon.
Let's go.
Peace.
Peace.